It's Wednesday, December 12th here in Korea, and I'm Kwon So-ah with the latest weather forecast. If you tuned in earlier in the evening, you might remember that it said it's going to get milder in the latter half of the week. Now, the good news is you may even feel the rise in temperatures today right in the middle of the week because most parts of the country can expect daytime highs in the positives. Now, nevertheless, cold wave alerts are still in effect here and there. Now, skies will turn out mainly clear and sunny again, but some regions have chances of sporadic snow through the morning. Now, that would apply to the west coast regions of Jeolla Province and Jeju Island. Now, meanwhile, along the east coast, there are dry air advisories in effect, so please be careful with fires. Now, advisories here, warnings there. I bet what you really want to know is today's temperatures. Now, the capital Seoul starts off at -8 and hits 1 degree later in the day. Both Daegu and Gwangju range between -6 and 4, and Busan will be a little warmer. And moving over to other places, Daejeon's temperature gap should be 14 degrees apart. Jeju and Dokdo remain in the positives, and no change for Mount Kumgang's freezing weather. Now, maybe those numbers don't look too promising yet, but just wait until Thursday or Friday when we return to seasonal norms. And if you happen to be watching from other parts of the world, here's the international weather. An increase in daytime temperatures and also an increase in clouds for Beijing. Tokyo's high drops to the single digits, but sunshine prevails. Not so much in Islamabad, though, where it's going to be an overcast day with rain forecast in the latter half of the day. Typical scattered thunderstorms for much of Southeast Asia, but also down under in Perth, along with a big drop in the mercury. Melbourne should be a warm spot on Wednesday, and Wellington jumps a couple of degrees. Now, there is a good chance that those in Vancouver can enjoy a dry day with just a few clouds. Slight rise in temperatures in Chicago, slight decrease in New York and Washington, D.C. Hope you made good use of the fine weather over in Los Angeles because it's going to get wet and a lot cooler. It's not going to be as hot as Tuesday in Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo due to the arrival of scattered thunderstorms, which will make it similar temperature-wise to Santiago and Buenos Aires. Those two, however, are going to be crystal clear. The deadly snow in Eastern Europe is expected to continue, including in much of the Ukraine and Belarus. No snow for Moscow, but cold temperatures staying steady for much of the day. Snow showers until around midday continue in Berlin and other cities of Germany. And lastly, in Africa, temperature gaps are widening more and more these days. Expect around that 10-degree difference in lows and highs in Tripoli, Algiers, Cairo, Addis Ababa, as well as Cape Town. Now, that's the weather for now. In whatever part of the world you are, have a great day or night.
That's Late Night Edition at this hour. I'm Sean Lim. Thanks for watching.